You feel the power? Dude. So now as you do that, you want to tighten this up because you're pulling it up and you're creating slack.
Wish I could express this on the camera, but holy cow, I can't.
We need a big guy to pull on it?
Jesus Christ.
There it is. So what do you think of the crease killer, Jeff?
That's crazy. I can't believe how much power that has. Yeah, definitely a crease killer. No questions about it.
See the bottom.
Obviously intentionally too far, right? You don't do that to a car.
Yeah.
You're selling body line services, so when you buy that, you can now add custom body lines to any car.
Right.
So this is